Hey you all, welcome back to Fluent Institute. I'm Deepak Dhara, your English trainer and life coach. So today we are going to learn some contractions, and I hope some of you may be knowing what is the meaning of contraction. So if you know, please tell me in the comment box, what do you mean by contractions? Contractions are those words whenever in English language we write some sentences or some words in a very contracted form, that is called contraction. Like you must have heard some word like if we say do not, so we can call it don't, right? If we talk about does not, sometimes we can say this like doesn't, right? So these are called contractions. So today I'm going to teach you some more contractions of English language. So these are some informal contractions which you can use in your language, and it will take your English to the next level, as well as it will beautify your language. So if you want to beautify your language, you must use contractions, because good English is called when you use only little words to say big things. It means if you use some words to explain briefly, right? So that is called good language. You need not make big sentences to express yourself. So whenever you are going to air your thoughts, your views, so must remember, try to speak only within some words, only use some words, okay? That can beautify your language. So today I'm going to teach you some most beautiful and informal and basic contraction. Those are used in America, okay? So our first contraction is watcha. So what is the meaning of watcha? Can you tell me what is watcha? In American accent, what are you is called watcha. If I say what are you doing, but in American what I can say what you doing. If I ask you what are you watching, so instead of saying what are you watching, I can say what you're watching. What you're playing, it means what are you playing. What are you doing, it means we can say it what you're doing. So what you're doing, what you're playing, what you're reading, it means क्या पढ़ रहे हो. If I say what you're studying, क्या पढ़ाई कर रहे हो आप. So watcha means what are you. So instead of saying what are you, from today you can start using watcha. Hey, what's your plan for today? What you doing today? What's your plan? What you doing today? It means what are you doing today. So instead of using what are you, start using watcha from today, okay? So move to the next contraction, that is doncha. What is the meaning of doncha? Doncha is also most commonly used contraction in America. It is mostly used in America. So what is the meaning of doncha? If you know, write in the comment box. Mention it in the comment box, okay? I have been waiting for your replies. So doncha means don't you. Don't you means whenever we say do you not. Do you not is called don't you in contraction, in contracted form, right? If I say क्या पढ़ाई नहीं करते हो, then what will be the English of this sentence? This sentence will be do you not study. But if I want to beautify it little more, so I can say don't you study, don't you play, don't you dance, don't you like my videos, don't you watch my videos, don't you subscribe to my channel, right? Don't you. But in America, don't you is called doncha. So instead of saying don't you, from today you can start using doncha. Hey, don't you study? नहीं पढ़ाई नहीं करते हो क्या? Don't you watch my videos? Don't you subscribe to my channel? Don't you share my videos? It means don't you share my videos? मेरे वीडियो शेयर नहीं करते हो क्या? Right? So don't you is called doncha in American English. So if you want to use contraction of don't you, that is called doncha. And some basic contraction also you must have heard, like wanna. So what is the meaning of wanna? Gota, right? So I would explain wanna and gota as well, but before that we should make some more sentences of doncha, right? So firstly I told you what first one was watcha. Watcha means what are you, what you're doing, what you're playing, what you're studying, what you're reading, what you're doing, right? It means what are you doing, what are you studying, what are you playing, what are you watching. And the next one is doncha. Don't you play, don't you study. So don't you study, don't you watch my videos, don't you subscribe to my channel. इशारा मेरा समझ गए होगे व्हाट आई वांट टू से यू। सेंटेंस भी बनाओ और साथ साथ कर भी दो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। नहाते नहीं हो क्या? डोंट यू टेक बात? कोरोना चल रहा है ना, तो हैंड सैनिटाइज करते हो? नहीं करते ना? डोंट यू सैनिटाइज योर हैंड्स? डोंट यू टेक बात? नहाते नहीं हो, इतनी गर्मी है और नहाते नहीं हो, डोंट यू टेक बात? सो वी कैन यूज डोंट यू in the place of don't you. Got my point? So the next contraction, that is wanna. So what is the meaning of wanna? Can you tell me? Wanna is the contracted form of want to. When I say I want to play, I want to go, I want to go abroad, just I want something. When you just have a wish to get something, that time you use want to, right? And the contracted form of want to is wanna. I wanna play with you. I wanna go there. It means I want to go there, right? I want to meet you. So instead of saying I want to meet you, what can I say? I can say I wanna meet you. So instead of saying want to, you can start using wanna from today. So the next one is gotta. What is the meaning of gotta? So gotta is the contracted form of have got to. Have got to. What is the meaning of have got to? What do you mean by have got to? Have got to means when you have to do something, you will have to do something. That is called like there is something compulsory that you have to do that thing. Like if I say, oh my god, it's 9 o'clock right now, so my wife is waiting, and if I go late at home, she will beat me, right? She will beat me, so मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. So I have got to go, but in contracted form I can say I have gotta go, and there's no need of using have. We can say I gotta go, right? Oh my god, पापा आगे पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा, I gotta study. ठीक है? अब सुना होगा ना शोले वाला डायलॉग, बसंती इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना. लेकिन गब्बर क्या बोला? आपको तो नाचना पड़ेगा ही, राइट? नाचना तो पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज क्या कर दूंगा मैं? जय वीरू को उड़ा दूंगा. You gotta dance. You gotta dance. It means you have got to dance. It means आपको नाचना पड़ेगा. You gotta dance. So whenever something is compulsory, you have to do that thing. You will have to do. There is no option for you. आपको काम करना पड़ेगा. In that condition, you can use this contraction, that is have got to. मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ, मुझे अब घर जाना पड़ेगा, right? I have got to go. घर पे क्या तो मम्मी का गुस्सा हो जाती है, और मम्मी कहती है सारे बर्तन में साफ़ करती हूँ, ये करती हूँ, वो करती हूँ. जब लड़कियों को डांटती हैं तो लड़कियों को क्या होता है, उस समय मना नहीं कर सकती. क्यों? मम्मी उस दिन ज़्यादा बहुत गुस्से में है, तो उस दिन तो क्या बर्तन धोने ही पड़ेंगे, राइट? धोने पड़ेंगे ना. आई हैव गॉट टू वॉश द डिशेस. सो व्हेनेवर समथिंग इज कंपल्सरी फॉर यू, so you will have to do that things. That time you will use gotta. I gotta study, I gotta take admission in BA, I gotta go there, I gotta talk to him. यानी उससे बात करनी पड़ेगी, मुझे उस लड़की से बात करनी पड़ेगी. I gotta talk to her. So gotta is the contracted form of have got to. So the next contracted form we have is, that is cause. So what is this cause? It means because. Because जब हम बोलते हैं ना क्योंकि, I came here because I want to learn English. I came here because I wanted to meet you. So instead of saying because, you can use cause in contracted form. I came to your channel because I want to learn fluent English. I came here because I wanted to meet you, right? So cause is the contracted form of because. So the next contraction we can take, that is gonna. What is the meaning of gonna? Whenever we say I'm just going to do this thing, when something is about to happen, like मैं काम करने ही वाला हूँ, right? So in that condition I will say going to. जैसे कि मेहमान आने वाले हैं, guests are about to come. Instead of saying about to, I can use guests are going to come. यहाँ पे going to come ये नहीं कि वो जाकर आ रहे हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It means मेहमान आने वाले हैं. So going to हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हम कहते हैं कि ये काम होने वाला है, right? When something is just about to happen, in that condition you will have to use going to. And what is the contracted form of going to? That is gonna. इतनी गर्मी, I'm going to die. So what I will say, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. सर मैं आपका चैनल सब्सक्राइब करने ही वाला हूँ. I'm gonna subscribe to your channel. सर मैं आपकी वीडियो शेयर करने ही वाला हूँ. आई एम गना शेयर योर वीडियो. मैं उससे बात करने ही वाला हूँ. आई एम गना टॉक टू हर. So now it's time to go, and I have gotta go. So what I will say, I gotta go. So I hope these were these contractions you must have liked, and if you have liked, so like, share and subscribe. So मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए नमस्कार.